What if thermosets could behave a little bit like thermoplastics?
You see the delamination here from 100 degrees. You activate the healing, and therefore the part will be regenerated.
I was invited by Yannick from Catalysium, who was launching his YouTube channel, to come and visit CompPair. Now, I was curious because CompPair are a company that makes thermosetting material that can be repaired through heating. They produce a healable thermoset that can be used in composites. And while this channel has been focusing on thermoplastic, the work here in thermosets kind of competes with thermoplastic, and I quite liked the work that has been done by the team in Switzerland at CompPair. Now, thermoplastics can be repaired using processes involving melting, whereas CompPair solve this problem using chemistry. Now, what does CompPair actually do? Compared to traditional thermosets, which have permanent crosslinks, the Healtech material that CompPair makes has the ability to reactivate these crosslinks for repair. So I'm talking about damage here, which is microcracks, delamination and impact. These can be addressed through localized heating.
And all what you have to do is come with heat. So here we are with a heat gun, but it works with a heat blanket, with an oven or anything.
Okay.
And as from 100 degrees, you activate the healing, and therefore the part will be regenerated.
Now, to be clear, this is not a melting of the resin. It is a reactivation of the bonds within a cross-linked network. Now, what kind of damage can you actually heal through this? We are talking specifically matrix repair. We're talking about microcracks, some matrix cracking or delamination, but you cannot really repair, say, the fibers if the fibers are damaged. So this is very matrix specific.
In blue, you have the performance of the part before damage. In gray, that's after damage, with similar delamination like this.
Okay.
And then in green, this is after the repair process, the one that we will see here. Globally, you regenerate the parts, so you recover the initial performance.
In terms of similarities to thermoplastic, the biggest one is it can behave in a thermoplastic style material in terms of how you can activate it using heat. Now, what's happening here is the healable material is getting healed through the crosslink network where the bonds can be reversed, whereas with a thermoplastic material, the material is actually melting and flowing, which is not happening in a thermoset in this case. And using heat here, while, for example, in a thermoplastic material, the material will completely remelt. In this case, the Healtech material is fully rigid.
The composite is warm, but the composite remains structural. Okay. So you can do this repair on site without the need of adding any pressure.
So you can do your repair locally while the whole body is fully rigid. And most importantly here also is the way the material behaves. It behaves very much like a thermoset, which has got some bonuses. So compared to a thermoplastic, the Healtech material has very good stiffness and high TG, and also the creep resistance is pretty good. So these are some bonuses when it comes to dealing with thermosetting materials. If you're wondering where does the Healtech material make more sense, there are a couple of applications. The biggest opportunity here might be, in my opinion, aerospace. So in aerospace, if you're using cryogenic applications where you're filling tanks with liquid nitrogen, liquid oxygen, liquid hydrogen, the thermal cycling that you have with filling these tanks, for example, over and over again means that you're causing microcracks in this material. Whereas in this case, you could actually then do some in-field repair if there are microcracks getting caused. So that's a great opportunity in terms of increasing the lifing of various material. CompPair is actually working with some really big names right now, and this material is showing a lot of promises. Also, there's opportunities within, say, wind energy and also within the automotive industry. I hope that you enjoyed today's short video. In the future, I probably will be doing a much more in-depth video, but I thought that CompPair is doing such interesting work. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you like what you've seen, please click the subscribe button. It really helps to grow the channel, and I will see you soon. Peace.